So, good evening, everyone. Today is the day 3, and where I am trying to change my life and where I am trying to control my life. The motto of this video only one transforming my life. How can I transform my life? What type of problem is coming in my way, and how I am dealing with this problem, how I am solving this problem, and also I also want to see the result, and I believe definitely when I will follow this lifestyle for minimum 90 days, definitely I will find a huge benefit in my lifestyle, and I believe I will have a control. So today I am going to give you an update of yesterday, means day 2. How was yesterday, and what type of challenges I face, and how I deal with this problem. So in this video I will share. So yesterday I did not set a timer for morning time, and unfortunately I slept till 4 45, I think 4:35. And when I got up, so then I thought really I should means set the timer for morning alarm. So from there I learned no, I should fix a timer for my morning time because I should follow this lifestyle. And after that I have completed my morning prayer, and I started writing, and also I start working my day. And same way yesterday, means morning time I wrote, and I made a list actually within all day what I will do, what type of activity I will do, and what I will do and what I will not do. So there I wrote few lines, means what I will not do. Means from few years I am also trying to avoid the social media, and I also control my mind. But you can understand it is very tough things, means control your mind. Sometime you think, means I will not do, but how you try to start, how your brain give you suggestion for doing things, it is totally uncontrollable. But when we will try for a long time, definitely we'll be success in our goal, and we'll complete our dream, because this is our brain, and we can develop, we can control. It is little bit tough, but we can, it is not impossible. So as per my capacity I was trying to stop myself from video and social media. And I also want to tell you, nowadays I totally delete Facebook account, I delete means Instagram, and sometime, and by intentionally yesterday I didn't, and I did not open the reel, and sometime by unwishly, and unfortunately is it was open, but it was not my fault, but my intentionally yesterday I was not scrolling. For that I should say alhamdulillah, because he has given me power. And third things, means when I stop all social media affair, so there I had a time for my self, and where as well was, as well as I was giving a focus on my study. But I have a one problem, means I also want to add my 100% in every work. For example, when I read, I should give full focus on my reading. Whenever I eat, I should add my full focus in my eating. Whenever I sit, I should sit a good way. It is my intention and my dream. But what happened? Sometime I was aware, and sometimes I was not aware. But when I will practice these things for a long time, definitely I will see the result, and one day I will see there I will do my every work with 100% effort and with my all wishes. Yes, and I am also watching a good improvement in my mind also. And I don't want to say means totally change. No, I am also fighting, and this fighting for a few weeks, and after that I will find a time for healing my thought and body. But few week and few days I have to struggle with myself. I have to fight with myself because I have a long habit, and where I was doing everything, but when I stop myself from that type of things, now I have a burden, but I have to do it. Second things means about my namaz. Means yesterday I have completed my all prayer. For that also I am again saying Alhamdulillah because I have completed my all prayer. And third things means I was also suffering with my chat, SMS, and with friendship. But you know, for 3 days, I am totally free from that type of activity. I didn't chat with anyone yesterday. I didn't call anyone, and just I called my own friend with whom I practice English language, and I also try to learn something from him. I also try to teach also him something. So as well as I am also getting, and I am on the good track, but I have to be careful. I have to fight with myself. When I will not give much more care about myself, so any day I can break. So for that I have to be careful, and I have to more alert. So, my dear friend, I am also trying to change myself, and pray for me because I can control myself. Because why I am telling everything in front of you, and why am I telling everything on the audience? Because people and also think me I am very pious and very religious things, but I know about myself because I have to correct myself. Otherwise, end of the life, I will regret. And I don't want to be part of regret in my life. So when I will not work for myself, so anybody can't, correct me. Anybody can't change my life. I have to change my life, and inshallah ta'ala, I will change my life one day. And it is my third day, and I believe in inshallah I will win in this mission, and I have to win. There is no another option. I have to do it. So my dear friend, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.